Sister Gilberta.
That's what I do for entertainment.
You make it to the beach.
We're having a pool day. We're having a family pool day.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
We're having a pool day. We're having a family pool day.
So we're having a family pool day in the garage. Yeah.
Dad's right here.
And Bella is right here.
And I'm right here in my mom's
phone
lap.
drop in the water, you know, because it's not waterproof. This is not waterproof, babe. No, it's alright. You know, like when them tell you say the water, the phone waterproof, so you must put it in the water. I don't think.
Resistant.
This one is not waterproof. So you know we have to.
Listen to your older husband. Listen to your husband because he's older than you.
Yeah, so we have to find ways to enjoy ourselves. So yeah, alright. Yeah, so we're enjoying ourselves. So we'll show you some snippets of our little pool day. Right, babe?
I'm going underwater.
Okay.
Let's see how long I can stay.
Okay. Go. 1, 2.
And my mom.
That's what I do for entertainment.
You make it to the beach. Cufflinks fam, we are taking some time off from the kids, from it all. We believe that you have to take time off for yourself and just have some fun and relax and get away from it all. Nature is beautiful. My wife is beautiful. Life is beautiful. So we just took some time and we drove to the beach. Look, social distancing. Yeah? And we're having some fun. So it's our getaway And this one will be in our next vlog, so you'll see it soon and you'll be enjoying it. Hope you enjoy the scene. That's a chef for bookings call.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. What are we looking at? What are we looking at?
We're looking at stuffed chicken.
Stuffed chicken.
These are some baby herbs.
Jesus.
Barbecue those now.
Can't wait, can't wait. Smells good. So the food that you just saw, courtesy of TK's Catering, the man himself. Sir Tex,
Hey, what's up?
how you doing?
I'm good.
Where can we find you?
I'm located in St. Elizabeth currently. However, I can be at your disposal wherever you are in Jamaica.
All right, and you are on Facebook.
Yes, on Facebook as TK's Catering. You can just look me up.
All right, so the food was delicious. What did you do for us today again?
Today I made a seafood Alfredo. I also made a seafood chowder, and you had some barbecue baby back ribs, along with some baked stuffed chicken. You know, I have plenty more where that came from.
Easy now. All right.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile,